The southern groundhornbill is a very large bird found on the African savannah that is about the same size as a turkey. It is conspicuous due to the black coloring of its feathers, very large curved bill, and red skin around its eyes and throat. They can be observed singly, in pairs, or small family groups of 3 to 5 birds. They produce a booming sound which gives them the nickname Thunderbird. They feed on insects, reptiles, and frogs. Females lay 1 to 3 eggs at a time. The nests are usually found in tree cavities. Unfortunately, parents usually favor the strongest chick, which leads to a high infant mortality rate. They are also sensitive to accidental poisoning by pesticides. Birds have also been run over by speeding cars. They are also troubled by habitat loss.